Hello, my dear friends of symphonic brass music, and welcome to some topic that came across a few videos in my subscription bladder on YouTube, and I've wanted to talk about this for quite some time as well. What I want to talk about are these two lovely friends, my ears and probably yours. I'm old. No, I'm not old. I don't feel old, but I know I'm old. I'm turning 37 this year, in a few months, in a few weeks. So I'm not the youngest guy on this planet alive, obviously, but I'm not the oldest as well. Anyway, my work is dependent on my ears and what my brain makes out of the information he gets from my ears. And it's a natural way of going that these ears get worse over time. And when I started doing music, I'm lucky that my parents were really, really cautious about ear protection and stuff, because I played the drums when I started playing drums when I was 6 years old. And I always try and wear head protections a lot of times. But I listen to music on headphones quite loud. I went to several concerts over the years and stuff you do if you are younger. I went to a few parties and stuff. Not extremely much. There are people that went to more parties like I did. But I went to a few, and I had a few ringing ears after several concerts and parties, which I guess is pretty normal. Anyway, now I'm working in this industry, and my ears are quite important. So every now and then I try and test my ears. I do it by myself. I just implement some signal generator in Pro Tools, put my headphones on, and just listen to frequencies going up. Start by like 12K and then go up in 500 hertz steps, and see how much I hear, how much hearing is left. And well, to be honest, if you take the algorithm for MP3, which cuts off everything below above 16K, I don't hear that difference anymore. I don't hear it. There's nothing left above 16K, or not much, nothing significant. It drops off at about 15.5, and then it drops, and there are a few stereo-ish thingies happening above 13, 14, so it starts getting one ear more, one ear less, and so on and so forth. And that's completely normal. That's absolutely normal. That's what's happening when you get older. So you might argue, is anyone above 30 years capable of mixing music? And I think yes, absolutely. I mean, we have a bit of a conflict there, because doing music is so much dependent on your experience and what you already know and what you learned, and you never stop learning. So you're never old enough to sort of produce music, because there are so many things you learn over the years that you have to learn, and you train your ears more and more to pick out stuff that are important, and so on and so forth. So you're never old enough to work in music, but your ears degrade over time, which is normal. So no, I don't think the only time you're capable of mixing music is when you're in your 30s. I think that's all fine if you're aware of it and have some sort of safety net. Let's call it like this. So what do I do, knowing that I don't hear anything above 15.5K? Yeah, I have people around me who are younger. So for example, if I have a good production, I send out to mastering to my dear colleague Till. Till is, I guess, 10 years younger than me. I don't know. Sorry, Till. I guess he's a fair years younger than I am. So he listens to the stuff and he always says, no, that's fine. All is fine above. Yeah, no problem, no issues. Oh, he would let me know. He don't specifically tell me everything is fine. He only calls me when there's something wrong. Which is good. So I know it's fine for someone 10 years younger than me. Secondly, I have an analyzer tool on my master bus, which I occasionally look to. And I just look on how, if there anything is standing out, and there's something that's unnormal. So I know how this frequency curve should look to be pleasant, not too harsh, not too mumbly. And I just look at it, and if it's in that sweet spot, that's fine. If there's something standing out in one way or the other, I try to fix it by eyes. And yeah, that might sound stupid that I mix by eyes, but all above 15.5K, that's the only option I have, mixing by eye. Because by changing an high shelf up there, I don't hear a thing. I don't hear it. And that's just the way it is. But I can see it if it's in a realm of being okay. It took me quite some time to get okay with that situation and saying, well, that's just the way my ears work, and accepting that they won't change back, because that's the thing with ears. If the frequencies are gone, they're gone. That's just the way it works. But it doesn't matter. I think it doesn't really matter, because experience and knowledge makes up for that. Let me know if you're dealing with hearing issues and how you work around them. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.